Hey, what up? As you can see, this is Sky. This is my Africa Offset. And I just did a video and I didn't like it. It was awkward because they kept booting me off and I was not prepared. So I wanted to do another video. Show you who I am. Yeah. So I took out my piercings, guys. I think I already did a video about that. Such a sweetheart. Anyways, yeah. I'm so in love with myself. Look how pretty I am. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. A lot of people be getting mad at me for doing that, but you're supposed to be in love with yourself and love how you look and you know what I'm saying, like that. So yeah. So I'm about to get ready to go. I gotta go get some clothes on though. I'm not wearing this. I gotta buy some gym clothes too to match my eyeshadow. So anyways, I'm about to go. I'm so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, see you later. Bye bye. Smooches. Bye bye.